The following video is rated PG-13, which may contain scenes and/or themes that are not suitable for people under the age of 13.
Az előrejelzések szerint a szeles nap egész héten folytatódik, mivel holnap reggel újabb hideg front várható Veszprémre. A hőmérséklet mindössze 9 fokig csökken.
Jesus. Another cold front? We won't like this at all.
Oh man, I miss those warm spring days. We planted flowers, toured around the city, everything.
Yeah, well, the warm temperatures won't be back for a while. That's for sure.
Wait! Where's Chuck?
Oh, there you are. We were just talking about you.
Dude, what the hell happened to you? You look like you just came back from a party.
I'm not okay, I don't feel too well. I haven't slept all night, that stupid wind ruined it all.
What are you talking about? Why are you so bothered about that?
Maybe it's just the cold front. I think that's what made him so stressed.
Probably. I had one of those every once in a while.
Don't you get it? I didn't ask for a windstorm. It's driving me crazy.
Well, sorry bro. We're gonna be stuck with this for a few days.
Come on, we'll make you Hey! Where are you going?
Leave it, Terrence. He's just tired.
Oh boy. Looks like we're having a problem.
God fucking damn it.
What? What is it?
This fucking wind. Bro, do you have any idea what it's like to sleep like this at night? It's blowing the closed shutters so hard that it sounds like an iron door zombie was trying to break.
Seriously? You're angry because of the wind? What's the big deal?
I don't have any problems with the windstorm at all. It's just that it's blowing the shutters and it won't let me sleep at night. I can't even go outside because of how bad the weather is.
Oh. I see. I don't know why you're suffering like this though, but that's your own problem, not mine.
So what do I do then? Take sedatives?
For God's sake, it's just a windstorm. It's not that bad. If you don't like it, just go to sleep.
But how? How do I sleep when the shutters are down and they sound like crazy? I don't even know what to do at this point.
Oh my god.
What's wrong, Chuck?
There's going to be another cold front, and it's much worse than the last one. The windstorm isn't even ending either.
So what? What's wrong with it anyway?
See for yourself. Look at it. Look at the weekly forecast. Tuesday, wind. Wednesday, wind. Thursday, wind. It's all wind. Nothing else. It doesn't say anything. Just wind. We're gonna have strong winds for the rest of the whole week.
Chuck, are you drunk?
Drunk? Do I look like I'm drunk? I'm not crazy. This weather system is cursed.
Why are you saying that? You can't just be angry over a windstorm. What is the problem with that?
Nothing. The only problem I have with it is the shutters. The stupid wind is blowing it like hell.
And that bothers you the most? Seriously?
Believe me, Mother, I never wanted this windstorm to happen.
Neither do I. But you should know that you can't change the weather and complain about it. If you keep this up, you'll drive yourself into insanity. Do you understand? Just cool it.
Chuck, what are you doing out here? You're not supposed to be in this kind of weather.
Remember those fairy lights that you placed last December, before Christmas? This stupid wind has been blowing them since that last cold front.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Do you? I want them taken down, now. I can't stand it.
I can't.
Why the fuck not?
Because I'm too old to get a ladder to do it.
Fine, then just get ready to do it.
No. I bet it with how you behave. You've been feeling like this all day, all because of that stupid weather. Can you at least grow a brain?
Bullshit. Just tell me when this is going to end.
Listen, I'm not a meteorologist, and I have
When?
next Wednesday. That's all I know.
What else did they say? Is the wind going to blow tonight? Right?
Will you please just stop? It's just the weather. It doesn't magically stop the wind when being asked to. Now stop whining about it and get used to it. Hey, Don't groan at me like that, or next time you're not getting out of the house.
Holnapra többnyire napsütéses időre számíthatunk, helyenként felhőséggel, de a hőmérséklet továbbra is 7 fokig csökken. A szél is várhatóan enyhülni fog.
About bloody time.
Várjunk csak, mi az? Ó, bocsánat. Biztos félreolvastam az előrejelzést. Holnap is erős szél várható.
Go to hell, you lying son of a bitch.
What did you say?
No, not you. That stupid meteorologist. I told you that we're having a windstorm all week.
You're still going on about this?
I told my dad to take down those fairy lights he placed last year because I heard the wind blowing that as well whenever I tried to sleep that night. But guess what? He said no, he's too old to do it. And now I want you to do it.
But I never agreed to that.
Why? What are you going to do with it? Keep them for the rest of the year? It's not Christmas anymore.
They were already turned off, Chuck. What else was I meant to do? Throw it in the trash?
Hey, I said take down those fairy lights, or you're going straight to hell. Do you understand?
What the hell is wrong with you? We are a family. You can't threaten. What the hell is wrong with you? We are a family. You can't threaten your brother like that. Apologize right now.
No, I want this windstorm to end. I can't wait until next week.
That's enough. End this misbehavior right now, or you're going on timeout.
Chuck, what are you doing? Stop it.
I can't do this anymore. I can't sleep. This fucking wind is torturing me.
Why are you saying that, Chuck?
Hey! What the hell is going on? I'm trying to sleep!
Both of you get out of here, or I swear to God, I'll punch that wall.
No. We are not leaving until you calm down. No. We are not leaving until you calm down.
Get the fuck out, now.
Békés, napsütéses napra számíthatunk, amely egész hétvégén kitart. A szél is gyengülni fog.
Finally, at least the winds will shut up.
Legalábbis egyelőre. A szélvihar hétfőn visszatér.
Hey! What the hell did you do? You just broke the radio. You get back here right this instant, young boy.
What the hell is going on here? What's with all the yelling again?
Did you see what he did? He threw the radio across the kitchen and broke it.
He's gone crazy. He's been like this for days now. What are we going to do?
What the hell do you want if you're asking me for an apology?
I'm only here to clean your room. That's all I want to say.
Well, I don't want you to clean my room. Go away.
How could you say that? Your room is full of dust. You have to let me clean it up.
I don't care. I haven't slept for days, and now look what I became. I became a piece of shit.
Chuck, you can't just stress yourself over that windstorm. You threw that radio into the wall and broke it. Do you think this is okay?
This doesn't concern you. I want this windstorm to end right now.
If you could just stop complaining about the weather, I would have cleaned your room sooner. Now shut up and just leave me clean it up.
Hey, fuck off and get the fuck out of my room before I do something I regret.
You don't talk to your mother like that, Chuck. I've had it. You are grounded for the...
Matilda, are you alright? Are you hurt?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean
to. Get the hell out of my sight. Haven't you done enough?
What the hell was that, Chuck? Why did you do this?
Do what?
You punched our mother in the face. You hit her. Do you have any idea what you've done?
What else was I meant to do, huh? Punch a punching bag, fight with Tyson Fury, what?
No. I want you to apologize.
The only one who should apologize is you. You won't take down those fairy lights since Terrence could.
Why should I apologize for that? Do you think that's going to help?
Maybe not, but if you don't do it, I'll do it myself.
You're insane, Chuck.
You think I'm an idiot, Red? Try me.
Wow, The weather looked much worse than it was yesterday. The weird shutter clanking isn't helping either.
Come on, Chuck. You have to eat.
I'm not hungry. I don't need to eat all this.
What is your problem, Chuck? You can't eat because of the wind? Jesus, you're so overdramatic.
Stella, quiet. Come on, Chuck. Please eat your breakfast.
I said I'm not hungry. Leave me alone.
You barely slept last night, and I can see it in your eyes. Just eat your breakfast.
I said no, Mother. What part of no do you not get?
What the hell just happened? What did he do?
I don't even know what's wrong with him anymore. Ever since that cold front came in, Chuck has become more aggressive than I thought. He even hit me once.
Jesus Christ. Why would he do this to you?
He's front sensitive. I mean, I've seen other people having that, but not like this. If this keeps happening, he'll destroy himself. What should I do?
Chuck, what are you doing up this time of night?
Take down those fucking fairy lights, now!
Oh my god. What do you think you're doing?
Shut up. I have had it. I've been pushed to the limit because of the same shit that's been happening for weeks now.
What are you talking about?
You lied to me. You promised me that the windstorm was going to end today, but it's still going. You set me up.
So you're telling me I'm the one who caused the windstorm? What a lie. A scientist.
You can't even take down the fairy lights that you could have done before Christmas because you're an old man. And Red can't do it either. What kind of sick people are you?
What's with all the Oh my goodness. What are you doing with a knife?
Get back, Matilda. I'll deal with it myself.
Both of you back off. Don't come any closer or one of you gets it.
Why are you doing this? You wouldn't want to do that.
He's right, Chuck. We're your parents. Do you have any idea what it's like to live without a parent?
Don't you fucking talk to me, you motherfucking bitch. I swear to God I'll kill you.
Would you rather end up in jail? Is this what you want? No. Matilda. No. Don't do this to me again. Please. What have you done?
It could have happened to you too if you didn't fuck it up.
Állj! Tedd a kezed úgy, hogy lássuk.
Megtaláltuk a gyanúsítottat. Egy nő fekszik a padlón, eszméletlenül, valószínűleg megkéselték. Azonnal hívják a mentőket.
So, why did they send you in here?
I stabbed my mother.
You did what? Damn, that's crazy. Why did you do it?
Because I was complaining about the windstorm.
You stabbed your mother because of the weather? Whoa. Talk about cooking up a storm.
Shut up!
This video is part of G4p's Super Saturdays. The perfect way to kick off the weekend.